Hi everybody, foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter by showing you these OneOdio A30 active noise cancelling headphones. At least active noise cancelling on the spec sheet. Never heard of them? I'm not surprised, but they're pretty popular on Amazon, so I was curious, what can $50 active noise cancelling headphones sound like? How good are they? How bad are they? Well, the answers are uneven in a lot of surprising places. The A30 measures 16 by 16 by 8 centimeters or 6 by 6.3 by 3.3 inches with the headband and ear cups covered in this faux leather with plastic everywhere else except for this metal in the band. The ear cups do fold in when you're not using them, so they're not super compact, but this isn't an uncommon design for over-ear headphones. The use of these materials though are heavy, and at 270 grams, the A30 is nearly 30 grams heavier than the Sony WH-1000XM3, and that's a weight you'll definitely notice when wearing these A30. After about an hour, those 270 plus grams will wear on you a bit, and the weight isn't distributed evenly. The headband is thin, and another issue are the ear cups themselves. The OneOdio are, quote, over-ear wireless headphones, and I put that over-ear part in quotes because the ear cups are very small. They sit partially on your ears and partially over. It's an awkward shape that's not big enough or small enough to fit in a single category, making them pretty uncomfortable to wear for longer durations. The ear cups are soft, but you can't replace them like you can on the Audio-Technica M50X, so the A30 is either going to fit or it isn't, and given how small they are, most of you are going to fall into the it isn't going to fit you well category. Around the exterior of the ear cups, you don't have any touch controls, but there are a number of buttons that give you easy access to common functions. There's a power on and off, which can also be used for Bluetooth 5.0 pairing. The A30 pair fairly quickly, and you can connect them to multiple devices like your laptop and your phone, but the A30 can't switch automatically or play from multiple devices at once. You've got a headphone jack to listen over a wire if you prefer. Oh, and this scratch here wasn't my doing. The A30 came out of the box new like this. There's also this inconsistency in the headband that reminds you that these are budget headphones. The A30 charge over USB-C, taking about 3 hours for a full charge, and there's no quick charge feature, although OneOdio boasts that the A30 has 45 hours of battery life. Now, that's a bit misleading, however, since you'll only get those 45 hours if you listen over a wire and with Bluetooth turned off. With Bluetooth turned on and remaining plugged in, you'll get about 20 to 25 hours, and if you use these headphones like most of you will, without a wire and using active noise cancelling, expect about 12 to 15 hours of battery life. So far, there's some good and there's some bad. Physically, there are some defects on the exterior of the A30, they're kind of heavy, and the ear cups aren't very comfortable at all. On the flip side, Bluetooth connections are fast and reliable, and moving on to the sound and ANC, well, those two features are just about as uneven as all the other features of the A30. The sound quality isn't bad, and the ear cups, for all of their downsides, do a really good job of noise isolation and blocking out exterior sounds. That does help with the music or podcasts you're listening to, since there's a lot less noise pollution coming in from the outside world into your ears. The A30 have a noticeable lack of bass, and the sound quality isn't very rich, like you can't hear the full orchestra from the highs to the lows, but to their credit, the A30's sound is clear. There's a somewhat hollow but crisp character to the sound that isn't bad to listen to, but it's not the greatest either. And there's a bit of that with the ANC too. If you've seen my review of any Bose or Sony headphones on this channel, you know that active noise cancellation uses microphones in the headphones to analyze the sound around you, then use anti-sound waves to cancel it all out. In other words, when ANC is done really well, like in the Bose or the Sony of the world, it feels like you're listening to your headphones in a silent room. The hum of a jet engine on a flight disappears, and you can drown out that crying baby 4 rows behind you. The ANC on these A30 though, well, they're not like that. To be fair, really good ANC is pricey, and the best ANC that I've tried that's worth your money is going to be at least $200 starting, and it's going to just go up from there. These A30 are $50, so the ANC isn't great, and in fact, it's hardly noticeable at all. It does do a good job of removing some of that low-level sort of bass hum that's around you, like from laptop fans or an air conditioner, that sort of just level hum that you can maybe hear right now. But other than that, you can't really tell that the ANC is actually active. The only discernible difference is a slight reduction in the ambient low-level sounds around you. The music you're listening to will sound just a little bit crisper, but these headphones don't have what I would call active noise cancellation. And I think OneOdio puts ANC on the box in the advertisements for these headphones to get your attention. It's not the feature that's going to keep you around, but it's a feature, especially at $50, you're going to see that, and it might just do the trick and get you to buy these headphones. And if you're on a budget, then you won't be too disappointed with these headphones, even though the ANC really isn't ANC. You know that good ANC is expensive, and at $50, you're not going to get much ANC at all. I think if you're looking for these headphones, or if your budget is around $50, you're much better off looking at something like the Jabra 45H or the Jabra Move. They don't have active noise cancellation, but they have great noise isolation, and they also use the My Sound app from Jabra, which auto-tunes the sound that's coming out of the headphones for your specific hearing, your specific ears, and it makes the sound just so much better. The sound is much richer, so you get a lot better sound quality. You don't get ANC, but the noise isolation and the improved sound quality is worth it, and it's a pretty good deal for that price. The Jabra options are only $20 more than the OneOdio, but if your budget is a strict $50 and you can't go over that, then the OneOdio A30 aren't a bad choice. They're a decent pair of headphones. Just don't go looking for any ANC or be disappointed with the ANC or lack thereof. Honestly, I think OneOdio would have been better just ditching ANC totally from the entire design of these headphones and maybe spend some of that R&D development on other features, like maybe making the ear cups a little bit bigger, the physical design just a little bit more premium, or working on the overall sound quality. But like I said, I think that ANC is going to catch your attention, but if that's the feature you're really looking for, you'll be disappointed with the A30. That's my review of the OneOdio A30 headphones. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, and while you're down there, hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bluetooth pairing are just about as are reliable. Connections are fast and reliable, fast and reliable, fast and reliable. And moving on. Time to edit now.